Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to use the Canva spell check. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe as this really helps me out. So you'll be glad to know that Canva has its own built-in spell checker. So if you're working on documents like this one, like an email or something with text, you can get a spell check without using external apps. So to use the spell checker, what you need to do is highlight the text that you want to check. Then you'll see like a little toolbar pop up. Hover over the little pencil icon, which is magic, right? I'm going to click on there, and then I'm going to click on Fix Spelling. From there, a new little tab will open up, and your text will be spell checked and it will fix your spelling mistakes. So then you can click to replace your text or add it below if you want to double check, because it does say AI can make mistakes. So it's always a good idea to do a second check. So it looks good to me. So I'm going to click on replace, and my text has now been spell checked and corrected. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.